So what's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and we're here to do the unboxing of the OnePlus 8. Now you may be asking yourself, didn't you say you was getting the OnePlus 8 Pro? Yeah, but T-Mobile had a deal that I could not resist. I was able to get the OnePlus 8 Pro via a trade-in. T-Mobile was offering more. I decided to go with T-Mobile than the OnePlus and made the OnePlus 8 that more attractive. So that's the phone I'm gonna go with. I do probably plan on picking up the 8 Pro maybe a little later on in the year. But as of today, we're unboxing the OnePlus 8. Now, the OnePlus 8 does have a 4300 milliamp battery. It is USB Type-C. It has Android 10, 8 gigs of RAM. And the one thing about the actual carrier version of the phone, it is IP68 waterproof. So for some reason, OnePlus had to pay for that and put that on their regular phones as well as their Pro phones when it's going through a carrier. So right now, let's start with the unboxing. The box is a little bit on the long side in comparison to previous boxes that I've unboxed in the past, but it's not really no big deal. On the back, it do have some information about the phone itself, pretty much some of the same things you may already know. Snapdragon 865, does have a 5G modem on board, 6.5 inch full HD AMOLED display. It does have a triple camera system, which rocks out to a 48, 16, and 2 megapixel. The 2 megapixel is used for micro photography to get those real up close shots. But from what I understand, the 2 megapixel micro shot is almost like a waste of time, but it is what it is. They added it. Let's see what we can do with it. I'm going to try to test that out, take some couple of macro photos for you. Now inside, you do get your normal safety quick start guides. You get logo stickers, and you get your SIM card ejector and some T-Mobile SIM card if you want to activate this particular SIM card. Stack that off. The OnePlus 8, you do get inside a 30-watt charger. You also get the Warp Type-C cable and the OnePlus 8. I decided to go in with the black. I could not deal with that colorful rainbow one. That's, you know, I'm a little low key. I like things to be a little bit on the minimal side. I decided to go with this particular one. It's a beautiful phone. Looks real nice and clean. I am feeling this phone right here. No T-Mobile branding on the back of these phones like Verizon has done with their version of OnePlus. I feel kind of bad for those who have Verizon phones. You will be getting a OnePlus with the Verizon 5G tramp stamp on the bottom of it, but it is what it is. So again, this phone does have 128 gigabytes of storage, no SD card. The SIM card is on the bottom. 3 camera setup on the back. The phone has like a candy bar feel to it. Very slim. Let me get the OnePlus 7 Pro to compare with it. Now right here I have the OnePlus 7 Pro. Pretty similar colors, but OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 8. The camera systems are pretty much the same. The Pro is a little longer camera system in comparison with the Pro. From a width standpoint, the 7 Pro is a wider phone than the OnePlus 8. From a height standpoint, the OnePlus 7 Pro nudges the OnePlus 8. The curved display on the OnePlus 7 Pro is way more deeper than the actual curved display on the OnePlus 8. And therefore I used to get a lot of ghost touching on the side of the OnePlus 7 Pro. You shouldn't get that much with the OnePlus 8. The curve isn't as defined as it is on the 7 Pro. So I pretty much expect to have a top of the line experience with the OnePlus 8. Looking forward to giving you some of my opinions on how the camera works against the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to try to do some camera tests with some other phones and give you an idea of how that works out. But right now I'm going to set it up. That pretty much does it for the unboxing of the OnePlus 8. And stay tuned to my channel for more coverage of the OnePlus 8 and other phones that's going to be here. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions, please leave that down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.